hate school so bad. Anyways, hey, for today's video, I'm just gonna be doing a day in the life video because why not? I'm so tired, but yeah, it's currently 7:22. If you can see it, why is it not focusing? Yeah, I start school at 7:25, so I have 3 minutes before school starts. I do this every day because why not? I don't care. I don't get up super early for school and get ready. No, I get on class like this. I don't have my camera on though, so it's whatever. But I'm about to, cause I use my old phone. Oh, hold on. I use my old phone for my meetings, so I need to charge it. But yeah, it's freezing in my room because the window is open. But usually when I get up, see, I was gonna do a morning routine. Actually, let me say this: I was gonna do a morning routine, but I was like, I want to vlog because I plan on doing stuff today. So I'm gonna just do a vlog and do a morning routine at the time. Okay. I have to pee. So I'm about to go pee, and then I'll see you guys. Okay. Alright, I'm back. And I'm about to join my class right now. Go to it. For this class, I don't ever need to do anything. So I'm about to just lay here. I always just lay here. And then just, if he says something or if he says do something, I open my computer and I do it. But other than that, I never do anything in this class. And I mute my TV so I can hear. But yeah, I'm about to just sit here on my phone. Okay, I'll turn the camera when something exciting happens. Okay, so I'm done with my first class. I want to make pancakes, but my battery's about to low-key kind of die. So I'm about to charge my battery, and I'm about to just make the pancakes, so you'll not be able to see that. I'll probably record on my phone or something. If I do, then you'll see it. But I'm about to charge my battery, and I'm gonna just stay downstairs and eat my pancakes and do my math work. And after that, I'll probably go wash my face and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you when I work on the camera. Okay, so basically, I'm not making pancakes. I'm making like these cinnamon twist thingies. I'll show you when it's done because it doesn't look that good right now. But when it's done, it tastes. But yeah, I'm vlogging on my phone. But I'm in math class right now. I'm in algebra, as you can see, and we're doing this ed puzzle. Yeah, that's just an update because my camera battery is charging. And we're taking notes as well, so I'm about to take some notes and I'll see you now. Hey guys, so the food is done, like the little cinnamon thingies. Alright, so I'm done my second period and I'm just finishing some work. I didn't finish in class because I never get to finish the work in class because she assigns so much and it's just like, what's the reason? So I'm about to just do this, and then my next class, oh god, my next third hour, I said my next third hour, what? My third period starts at 9:15 and it's 9:03, so I have like a good amount of time to finish all this work. So let's just do this, and then I don't think I'm gonna vlog again until after third hour because that's just US history and I don't know what we're doing, so I'm just gonna tell you the plan I have for today. So basically, today I plan on cleaning up. I have to put up some laundry, fold it up, and put the clothes up. And then I have to also get some stuff that I need because we have a competition this week. And then today I also want to get some Taco Bell because I've been craving Taco Bell. Like, I've been craving it. I barely eat it because I never like had none of these like special items. I always eat like a basic taco and it's nasty, so I don't like eating it. But I want to try the Crunch Wrap Supreme, I think that's what it's called. And I want to also get one of their new freezies. I really like the freezies. They got like a midnight freezy or something like that. I want to try it. And then I want to get some nacho fries. And I want to try their burrito. So we're just going to have a little mukbang tonight. Hopefully I can get it. Hopefully I can get it. I don't want to DoorDash it. I want to go get it from Taco Bell because it's cheaper, because DoorDash be really trying with the delivery fees. But yeah, so that's basically the plan for today. I need to make up my bed and stuff. Also, if you're wondering why I haven't brushed my teeth or washed my did my skincare yet, that's because I don't like to brush my teeth after I eat, and I do my skincare after I'm done brushing my teeth. So that's why. Basically it, and that's the plan for today. So I'll see you guys after I'm done with my third period because it's 9:07. So yeah. Okay. So I'm in my room right now, and since I'm having class again until 10:10 and it's 9:44. So I'm about to just make my bed up because I've been trying to get into making my bed since I got a new comforter. So yeah, that's what I have to do. Yeah. Okay guys, so the bed is done. This is what this looks like. Yup. So I'm about to just go back in my bed and do my schoolwork. I really don't have anything else planned until like my lunch break, because that's when I'm going to start like cleaning up and organizing. But I have to put up these cheer clothes. Well, I have to wash these cheer clothes, my uniform and stuff. I have to wash it because, like I said, we have competition, so I have to just hand wash it. Pretty sure it's not that dirty. It's just I want to wash it because why not? So I have to do that. Yeah, I definitely gotta wash my top though, because it has some makeup on it. Yeah, my warm-up jacket, I don't really gotta wash it. I'm just gonna wash it just because. And I have this bag of laundry I need to put up. So I have to just chill and wait till my next class start doing some of my work that I have to do. Yeah. I'm gonna put on these socks. I forgot I took them off when I was asleep in my bed. See? Fuzzy Christmas socks. Alright. I'll see you when I turn back on the camera. I'm back, and I forgot that the bathroom is free, so I can go wash my face. So I'm about to do that. I don't know why I put on lip gloss, because my lips are getting chapped, and I'm about to wash it off because of face wash. And this is some good lip gloss. This is Fenty Beauty. Lighting in here is weird, and my settings on my camera is it's whatever. So I'm about to just brush my teeth and wash my face, and I'll see when I'm done because I really don't care. I don't know why I even said it like I was about to film it. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to just show you what I use. So as always, Clean and Clear, this Morning Burst face wash, and then moisturizer I used is my Organics face lotion with SPF, and I used the Relief moisturizer that's in my room. And yeah, and toothpaste is toothpaste. So see you when I'm done. Hey guys, so I'm done with my first set of classes, and I'm on lunch break, and I've just been editing this footage, and now I have to make me some lunch. I don't know what I want to eat though. So my hair look a hot mess. I'm about to just make me some food. I don't know what I want to eat, honestly. I think I might make these like chicken tenders. But I'm about to make those chicken things, and I'm gonna I'm gonna do these dishes because I have a lot of dishes to do, as you can see. Yeah. I need to hurry up and do this. So I'm about to just watch some Disney Plus while I do it. focus. I'm about to watch some Disney Plus while I do the dishes. So yeah, that's just some little update on what I'm doing. I promise you this is going to get more interesting later on after school, because I don't do anything until like after school, but I have to wash my hair today too. So yeah, that's what we're basically doing, and I'll see you guys when I'm done doing what I gotta do. All right guys, so I'm in my like reading class. Was AP Lang, but I'm in his class. We didn't have a live meeting today. She just gave us the work to work on. I finished the work that we had to do for attendance, but now I'm just doing this like annotation thing we have to do. So I need to do this, annotate it, and then answer some questions that's at the top. So I'm about to just do like a little homework thingy. So I'm about to just put my camera right where you're at, and then you're just gonna sit here in time lapse and watch me do this. This posture is very, very bad, but I'm very comfortable right now. And I'm watching Marvel Avengers Age of Ultron because I love Marvel movies. But yeah, that's just a little update, and yeah. Alright guys, so I kind of did some of it right here. I only did a little bit because it's looking hard to do that. But yeah, I'm about to just finish doing this. And I'm kind of done. She's only did a little bit, so I'm about to just edit. And then I'll probably take me a little nap after school, and then I'll start with all the stuff I need to do. And yeah, that's basically it. And I charged my battery again. Alright y'all, so I'm out of school. It's like 2 something, and I'm about to put up this bag of clothes, and I'm about to wash my uniform because I need to. But I want to do a poll on Instagram asking if I should do a let me fix my camera. I want to do a poll on Instagram asking if I should vlog this weekend or just do the ready with me. Because I'm real, you should stay over there. Because I really don't feel like vlogging, but at the same time, if that's what people want to see, you gotta put it out, you know? I'll just put up these clothes, do another aesthetic montage. I hope you like the music. I've been trying to find different music to use my videos. Alright, so I just fixed the lighting so it's kind of better. Don't mind the noise. That's because of the light. See, like, if I turn it off, then you can't see me. So, basically, what I'm about to do now is I'm about to just wash my uniform. I'm just going to wash the uniform, not the warm-up jacket, because I really don't need to. So, I'm about to just wash it. I really don't need to wash this either, but I really just want to wash it. So, it's about to get pretty loud. This is the largest detergent we use. This smells so good. But anyways, yeah. So I'm about to just put the camera by it so you can see me washing it, and yeah. Alright guys. Okay y'all, so we got the mystery freezy thingy from Taco Bell. Oop. I'm gonna try it out.
I mean, I don't use that because my miss tried to see it on her butt. Is it nasty?
This is good.
You lie?
So here's a haul of what we got. So we got nacho fries, the nacho sauce.
Tasty.
They got tacos. This is yours. I get the burrito from them. And then my brother got the burrito tacos, and then I got chicken quesadilla. I'm saving some of this for later.
Dang, the box is so big.
So yeah, I'm definitely gonna save the quesadilla for later, but this is the Crunch Wrap Supreme, and the rest is just sauce.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Can I taste?
So it's a taste it.
Can I taste?
We sharing the fries.
Yeah, can I taste?
Girl. Ooh, that's what it looks like. I low-key could have made this at home, but I want to try it because I don't know how it's supposed to taste. I thought it was gonna be crunchy, but it's not. So I'm gonna say I think I added steak in here. Yeah, in your thing.
Oh yeah. No, that's not this, Trey. That's from a different place.
Yeah, nacho fries. Why should I have 2 orders of them? Trey, you want to try the nacho fries? Okay, we're gonna try the crunch wrap supreme. Looking good. I got the cheese, lettuce, and steak and noodles.
This is so good.
Okay, here's my thing. Recommend the crunch wrap supreme, but get it with steak, the nacho cheese, lettuce, and the 3 shredded cheese, and then the mystery of this. It's so good.
Yeah.
And basically it. And after I get out this, I'm gonna I gotta wash my hair.
Taking that down?
No. And I need to get in the shower. I do like the stuff because we have competition this weekend, so I need to shave and exfoliate, do all that stuff because I have to do that a couple days before we leave. So yeah, that's basically it. That's the end of this Taco Bell mukbang. Yeah. So right now, I just got done cleaning up my vanity area. I was gonna vlog it, but I was importing footage from my camera to my phone, so I couldn't. But now I'm just listening to music and editing. I don't really have nothing else to do, but I am gonna get in the shower later on and wash my hair later on. And I think that's probably just be the end of the video because I really got nothing else to do. I want to do makeup, but I don't know. That depends. So yeah, that's it for now. That's just a little update. Okay, so I washed my hair and now I'm about to just blow dry it and do something to it, and then I'm gonna get in the shower and do everything. So I'm gonna just show you what I use in the shower because after this I'm gonna just close up the video. So I use Dove body wash because that's really good, and I use this Dove exfoliator. Okay, so I use this exfoliator by Dove. This is the what kind is it, pomegranate with shea butter, and it's really good. So this is the one I use, and then I use Nair with cocoa butter to shave and stuff, and I use a shaving thing and stuff. You know, you get the gist. So yeah, that's basically all I use in the shower. Now I'm gonna just do my nighttime routine. If you want to know what that is, then you can go look at the video on my channel. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this day in the life vlog. This was like one of my first ones. I want to try to do more of these because I know you don't like seeing cheer vlogs all the time or like really short videos. I want to try to do long videos and shorter videos to mix it up. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video because I am going to be posting more often, I promise. And yeah, make sure you stay tuned for the next video. It's either going to be a grade me or vlog, or I might do both honestly because I did a poll on Instagram and it's very like kind of close, kind of not, but I might just end up doing both. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time.